Students, today we will be doing chapter number 8, linear equation. So what is linear equation? I will explain to you. So the highest power of a variable in linear equation is 1. Okay, so here I will be explaining to you again what is meant by variable. Okay, so for example here, how many alphabets are there in linear equation? If the question is like this, then we have how many letters we have in alphabet? We have 26 letters. Okay, so the variable will be 26 variable. Okay, the answer will be we have 26 variable in a alphabet. Here again, what is meant by power? Okay, what is meant by power? For example here, one variable. I'll just take only one variable. Okay, what is power? Power will be here. Okay, clear? These are all power, okay, or a power to the power of 2, a to the power of 3. These are called power. Okay, so now here we'll be knowing again linear. Okay, so here, which among these is a linear? This will be the linear. The power which has the highest power is 1, right? So here the power is 1, right? This will be the linear. Okay, this will be the linear equation. Okay, here we will know again the equation again. Okay, the equation we will be knowing again. Okay, the equation is meant by the left hand side is always equal to the right hand side. Okay, I hope you know the meaning of the linear. Linear means which has the highest power is 1, and the equation is meant by the left hand side is always equal to the right hand side. Okay, so if the question is like if the question is give example of one variable, that means the answer will be this. Okay, this is also example of one variable. Okay, or if the question asks that give example of two variable, which means that it will be a plus b. It's two variable, so this will be the example of two variable, and if it's one variable, then only this will be the example of the one variable. So my dear students, I hope that you are all clear with the linear equation. The meaning once more I will be explaining. Okay, the highest power of a variable should be there, and the power should be there, and the linear also should be there. Okay, I hope you know what is linear again, right? So in exercise 8.1 we got a question 15 minus 6 equal to 9. Okay, so here, do you see any variable here? No, there is no variable here, right? The answer will be no. Okay, the answer will be no. And now in question number B, we can see that 2x plus 5 equal to 7. So here there is one variable x here, right? So the power you have to see, power is what? 1. So it's the linear. Okay, linear equation. Okay, so answer will be yes. Okay, so my dear students, in linear equation here we must have variable, okay, which has only one. The power should be only 1. Okay, so now we will be doing question number 2a. Okay, when we add 3 to a number we get 12. Okay, when we add means plus 3 to a number. Do you know the number? No, right? So here let the number be x. Since we don't know the number, so it will be x. Okay, just give an x. So here in this question number a here, question number 2a, when we add 3 to a number we get 12. Okay, when we add means plus 3 to a number means do we know the number? No, right? So we will give that let the number be x. Okay, the following statement will be when we add 3 to a number, 3 as per the question, 3 8 plus to a number we don't know, so it will be x, we get 12 equal to 12. So this will be the statement of this question. Okay, now number B again. Okay, when 7 is taken away from a number it gives 2. Okay, when 7 is taken away from a number, so since in this question number B also we don't know the number, so it will be let the number be x. Okay, so here the statement will be, as per the question, the statement will be when 7 is taken away from a number minus 7, it gives 2. So this will be the statement of this question. So now we will be doing question number C. That is, the sum of 8 and twice a number is 6. So even here also we get a number, right? So let the number be x. Okay, so as per the question again, the sum of 8 and twice a number is 6. Twice means 2. Okay, the sum of 8, sum means plus, 8 plus twice a number means x, we get is 6. Okay, so this is the statement of this question number C. So now we will be doing right statement for each of the following equation. Okay, so question number A, 4x plus 5 equal to 9. Okay, so now here the statement will be when 5 is added, added means plus. Okay, when 5 is added to the 4 times of a number, we get what? 9. Okay, so this is the statement of this question. Now number B, 2n plus 1 equal to 5. This will also be the statement will be same thing. That is, when 1 is added, to the 2 times or twice the number, or 2 times the number. Okay, 2 times the number, we get 5. So this is the statement of this question. Okay, so now we will do question number 4. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Okay, so here in this question here, this is the equal sign and this side will call as left hand side. Okay, and this side will be right hand side. Okay, so in left hand side we got 2 term here, 1 term and 2 term. Okay, one is with the variable and one is not. So this is the variable. Okay, and this will be the constant term. The one which is not a which has no variable, this is called constant term. Okay, so now it makes 2 terms here. Okay, so on the right hand side, is it a variable or a constant term? Yes, it's a constant term. Why? Because there is no variable here, right? So even here this is also a constant term. So this constant term you will transpose, which means the the left hand side will go to the right hand side. Okay, so 4x 9 minus 7, if it transpose, if it goes to the right hand side, it will be plus, minus it will go plus. Okay, if it's plus, then it will be minus. So if you add these two, then you will be getting here 16. Okay, so here 16. So now 4 will go down because this is only 1 term, right? Only 1 term, that's why it will go down. Okay, if it has 2 term, then if it's minus, then it will be plus. But if it's only 1 term, then it will go to the denominator, which means it will divide. Okay, so 4 divided by 16, you will get here 4. So here this is the answer of this question. And in question number B, so as I have discussed earlier, that is, we got this right hand side and this is called left hand side. So in the left hand side there is only 1 term, right? So now it will go to the denominator. This 8 will go to the denominator. Okay, which means 48 will be divided by 8. So here if you cut this rule, then you will get here 6. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. So now we will be doing question number 5. Complete the given table. So this is the equation and this is the value of the variable, and whether it's correct or not, we're just going to plot it here, yes or no. Okay, so question number A, 4a plus 20. So as we have discussed earlier, that equal, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So in the left hand side we got only one term, right? So this 4 will go in the denominator, which means that 20 will be divided by 4. Okay, so if you cut these two, then you will be getting here 5. And let's see whether it's 5 or not. Okay, so is it 5 or not? Yes, right? So answer will be yes. Okay, you write it here, yes. Okay, the answer will be yes. Okay, so now here in question number B, let's check it out again. Okay, 2x plus 5, 11. Okay, so here we got here two terms, 2x plus 5, which means a variable and a constant term, right? So on the right hand side we got this is a variable or a constant term. Yes, this is a constant term, right? So here 2x, this 5 will transpose. Okay, so plus 5, if we transpose then it will be minus 5. Okay, if it's minus then it will plus, but if this is plus, so it will be minus. Okay, so here 11 minus 5 will be how much here? 6. So now it's only one term, right or not? So it will go, these two will go in the denominator. Okay, to the denominator. So 6 by 2, and there here if you cut these two, then how much you will get here? 3. So let's see whether 3 is the answer or not. Yes, 3 is the answer, right? So answer is yes. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. So my dear students, that's all for today, and we'll continue in the next session. Thank you.